This is an AOC 20i Autosampler, and if you have any issues with the syringe clicking or not injecting proper volumes or something like that, it's really easy to take out and replace the syringe. So here's the part number for the 10 microliter syringe if you need that. The first thing that I like to do is just completely turn off the GC, and I'm gonna unplug the Autosampler just in case. So if you have issues with the syringe, I think the first thing that I would try is to just take out the syringe and work some solvent through it, like acetone or methanol or something, and just make sure the action of the syringe is good. The plunger in the syringe should actually move really freely. Okay, so this is the syringe that I'm talking about. This assembly up here holds the top of the plunger, and that really fine needle right there is the plunger. And then there's a needle down there that actually injects into the GC. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is unscrew this little thumb screw, and you can drop it, so be careful. It's a pretty long screw. So that comes out just like that. I'll set that to the side. And then this is the holder for the top of the plunger. And so I'm going to remove that. Actually, first we need to move the whole assembly up. So I'm just going to move this wheel, and then this should pull straight out. So see, this pin was actually inside of there, and so it wouldn't pull straight out. This syringe assembly is really delicate, so definitely be careful and don't be tugging on anything. But this pulls straight out like that, so that's the holder for the top of the plunger. And then this unsnaps, and if you're lucky, your machine still has this plastic holder right here, and this will allow you to easily pull the whole assembly out. So it will come out like that, and then the needle is sort of still down there, so we want to pull out and up. So I'll pull out and up, so it's coming out of the holder there, and then that's it. So there's the syringe, and like I said, you can get a little solvent and actually move the plunger up and down, and it should move really easily. I'm actually moving it right now, and it feels pretty stuck. Brand new, yeah, see, it's taken some force to push it down, so I think that was my issue. But brand new plungers should just fall. Like, you put the plunger in and it just falls. So I'm gonna work some solvent through, and then reassembly is just the exact same process in reverse. What you'll want to do after you reassemble it, though, you know, make sure you have all your pieces in, turn on the machine, and you're going to want to do a reset, and that should home the needle and home everything else. Super straightforward. Also remember that you'll need to move this back down into position in order to accept the syringe when you put it back together. But that's it, super easy. Again, this is for the AOC 20i. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Even if you don't want to see anything else from the channel, it really helps a lot. So thanks for watching, bye.